Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you block user on Netflix. Now, to block user on Netflix, you must sign them out of your devices and change your password to regain control of the account. So basically, there is no way you could block content or maybe an user on Netflix, but you could do this alternative steps which is gonna restrict them for viewing your account. That is changing your password and removing their profile. So basically, to change your password, you need to go to the account settings by going to the browser and click on the profile icon in the upper right and select accounts from the drop down menu. Under the security and privacy section, you could click on manage access and devices. Then a list of connected devices and the relative location will appear. You could simply click sign out next to any devices that you wanna and remove all the user from your account. Select sign out of all devices at the bottom, and this is critical step if you suspect unauthorized access. That is, go back to your account page and then you could enter your current password, then enter your new password twice and check the box to require all devices to sign in again. And this way you'll be able to change a password. Along with that, this is the way you could block user on Netflix. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.